Four Candies makes great art supplies. I have tested quite a few. I specifically love them for my kids' school supplies, and I am thrilled that they just gifted me their colored gel ink pens. So let's put these to the test. Now, as you can see, these are meant to be quick drying, smooth, and smudge-proof pens with an ergonomic soft rubber grip and a 0.7mm nib. So let's see if these are everything they promised. Now, to start off with, these are remarkably lightweight, but they do feel really good. I do really love this rubber grip. It's nice and smooth. And then they have a nice clip, holds on well. And then this clip and the entire top kind of slide down together to pop it open. They all will be covered when you get them, and that's to prevent them from drying out before you first use them. So you will need to take off all those little nibs and kind of scribble with them for a moment, but let's give these all a try. I didn't even need to test a scribble. This starts beautifully. These are super smooth. Smoother than I expected right out the bat. I am quite impressed. So that's the red, and it is not smudging either. So that's really, really nice. Very cool. Purple. Again, color's clean, easy to write with, and I am loving how vibrant these are. Really nice. This color looks almost salmon-like to me. It's kind of an interesting color on the pen, but when you draw it out, it's more of a peach. And then of course we have the orange. So bright, so vibrant, beautiful. Curious how this yellow looks. The yellow is definitely hard to see, but it really does pop. This would be great for highlighting, schoolwork, really clean pens. And I'm just gonna get through the rest real fast here. Now the dark blue is having a bit of a scratch to it, and that's because I didn't get all of the little nub off. Definitely pay attention to the nubs, and as you can see, since I just started, I am getting my finger colored a little bit by it, but once I do that, the dark blue is beautiful and clean. And of course you need your black gel pen and your brown. Now I knew these would be nice, but they really did exceed expectations. I cannot believe that they don't smudge at all, and they draw so smoothly, and the colors are just so vibrant. This is a really nice set. I might actually keep these for myself instead of giving them to my kids, as these are exactly what I want for my own work. These are fantastic pens.